Today, we're launching a program that will start returning people their homes as early as next week. We're calling it New York City Rapid Repairs. Its goal is to get as many New Yorkers as possible back in their homes by the end of the year, and I want to describe how it will work. We are bringing in contractors who will be given responsibility for an area hard hit by Sandy. These contractors were responsible for repairing the homes of anyone who wants to take part in the program. Each will select subcontractors, the electricians, carpenters, and plumbers, and others needed to make a home damaged by the hurricane once again safe, sanitary, and functional. So we have these different areas. We've hired general contractors, you can think of them, to be responsible, one for each area. They, in turn, will go and subcontract out the work and manage it and schedule it and make sure that it is done right. Beginning Tuesday, you'll be able to go to one of our restoration centers where you can be able to get a FEMA ID number and sign up for NYC Rapid Repairs. You can find out the locations of the restoration centers at nyc.gov or by calling 311. Once you've signed up, a contractor will come to your home, assess the damage, create a work order, and within a short time, the work will be done.